It feels like just yesterday that the OnePlus One burst onto the scene in 2014, and now, a decade later, we're looking at the OnePlus 12. It's like a milestone anniversary edition, and we've got all the juicy details for you. The OnePlus 12's press info really highlights how much they've learned over these years, and it's clear that the brand has undergone a major transformation. Back in the day, OnePlus was this cool new startup known for its clever marketing and offering top-notch tech at great prices. Fast forward to today, and it's established itself as a big name in the premium phone market. Over the years, they've expanded their range of products, but in doing so, they've kind of lost that unique spark they once had. Nowadays, OnePlus feels more like a part of its parent company, Oppo, rather than the distinct trailblazer it once was. Let's shift gears and focus solely on the OnePlus 12, which truly stands out on its own merit. This device is a high-end powerhouse from the get-go, boasting a display that ticks all the boxes: sharp resolution, bright output, an adaptive high refresh rate, and even Dolby Vision support. It's powered by the latest flagship Snapdragon processor, making it one of the first phones to market with this new chip. While the rest of the world won't see the massive 24GB RAM and 1TB storage variant that's available in China, a 512GB storage option is still pretty impressive. The camera setup is universally appealing, without any region-specific limitations. While it lacks a 1-inch sensor, it features a top-of-the-line Sony sensor leading a robust triple-camera array. This includes a wide-angle lens with a large sensor and autofocus, complemented by a 3x telephoto lens capable of delivering sharp 6x zoom photos, judging from our experience with similar technology in other devices. Another significant upgrade is the battery capacity, now at 5,400 mAh, reflecting a trend across the Oppo, OnePlus, Realme brands. Paired with a 100W charger, the OnePlus 12 promises quick charging times, adding to its appeal as a top-tier smartphone choice. The OnePlus 12 is a feature-packed flagship smartphone that boasts impressive specs. Body. It has a robust design with a glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, glass back, Gorilla Glass, and an aluminum frame. The device measures 163.3 x 75.8 x 9.2 mm, weighs 220 grams, and comes with IP65 rating, making it waterproof and dustproof. Display. The phone features a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED screen, offering over a billion colors, a 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+ support, with brightness levels ranging from 600 nits, typical, to 4,500 nits, peak. The resolution is 1,440 by 3,168 pixels with a 19.8:9 aspect ratio and 510 pixels per inch density. If it is worth the wait for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this. So just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe now. Chipset. Powered by the Qualcomm SM8650AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm chipset, it includes an octa-core CPU, 1 by 3.3 GHz Cortex-X4 and 5 by 3.2 GHz Cortex-A720 and 2 by 2.3 GHz Cortex-A520, and Adreno 750 GPU. Memory. Options include 256 GB, 12 GB RAM, 512 GB, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB, 16 GB RAM, and 1 TB, 24 GB RAM configurations, all with UFS 4.0 storage. OS, software. It runs on Android 14 with Oxygen OS 14 for international versions and Color OS 14 for China. Cameras. The rear camera setup includes a 50 megapixels wide, main, camera with dual-pixel PDAF and OIS, a 64 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera. The front camera is 32 megapixels. Video capture. The rear camera supports 8K video at 24 fps, 4K at 30/60 fps, and 1080p at up to 240 fps, with features like Auto HDR and Dolby Vision. The front camera can record 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps. Battery. A 5400 mAh battery supports 100W wired charging, full charge in 26 minutes as advertised, 50W wireless charging, full charge in 55 minutes as advertised, and 10W reverse wireless charging. Connectivity. It includes 5G, eSIM, dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX HD, NFC, and an infrared port. Miscellaneous. Features an under-display optical fingerprint reader and stereo speakers. This device combines high-end hardware with extensive connectivity options and advanced camera capabilities, making it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts and power users alike. The OnePlus 12 is presented in its signature red cardboard box, which has taken on a new look with a big 12 embossed on the top, alongside some subtle OnePlus and Hasselblad logos scattered around. Inside the box, you'll find a 100W charger, which operates at up to 80W if you're using a 110 volts outlet, and a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. In our review of the OnePlus 12, it's noted that, for the European market, the package does not include a protective case. This has been the norm for the last couple of generations of OnePlus phones in Europe, although customers in India receive a case with their purchase. However, all boxes, regardless of the market, come with a few extra goodies. Tucked inside a paper sleeve above the phone, aside from the usual documentation, are 3 OnePlus stickers to personalize your other gadgets. Additionally, there's a Red Cable Club membership card, which offers discounts on accessory purchases, enhancing the overall unboxing experience and offering value to the OnePlus community. OnePlus has officially entered the foldable smartphone arena with the launch of the OnePlus Open, marking a significant milestone for the company. This device isn't just another addition to the foldable market. It sets itself apart with an impeccably clean design, dual Dolby Vision OLED displays, and a trio of Hasselblad-enhanced cameras at the rear, promising an exceptional user experience from the get-go. The design of the OnePlus Open harks back to the era of portable digital cameras, offering a nostalgic yet modern aesthetic. It's crafted with meticulous attention to detail, featuring a ceramic guard panel for enhanced durability, a choice between a vegan leather or glass back for a touch of elegance, and a slender metal frame that complements its sophisticated look. The phone's exclusive hinge mechanism is designed to reduce complexity while improving durability, ensuring that the device can withstand the rigors of daily use. Additionally, with an IPX4 rating, the OnePlus Open is equipped to handle splashes, making it a reliable companion for everyday adventures. Thanks for tuning in to Future Phone Flash. We hope you enjoyed today's tech journey as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech flashes. Your support fuels our passion for tech, and we can't wait to bring you more thrilling updates from the smartphone universe. Until next time, keep flashing forward into the future of tech.